Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about pharmacological grouping of natural drug. I am Prajakta Wankhede, lecturer at Sri Gulabrao Devkar Institute of Pharmacy and Research Center Jalgaon. So, let's start. Pharmacological grouping of natural drug. Various types of pharmacological importance of natural drugs like laxative, example alloy, cardiotonics, carminatives, then astringent, black catechu, then antihypertensive drug, antitussive, vasacolite, antileprotic, chaul oil, then antitumors, antidiabetics, all are pharmacologically importance, therapeutically importance of natural drugs. From this various category of pharmacological grouping of natural drugs, we have to we have going to learn about enzyme. So, learning outcome from this presentation, we have going to learn about introduction of enzyme, then definition of enzyme, properties of enzyme, various classification of enzyme, what is cofactor, then example of natural drug which contain enzyme like diastase, papaya from papain, papaya, papain from papaya, then yeast. Example of enzyme with their source, property and uses. Let's start about introduction of enzyme. Enzyme, it is a protein which act as a catalyst, means it is a proteinous molecule and which speed up the biochemical reaction in the body. The enzyme and protein use as a therapeutic agent which having the therapeutic importance for the human body, are isolated from plant and animal source as well as from microorganism. Example of enzyme from plant source: bromelain from pineapple, papain from papaya. Amylolytic enzyme occurs in the plant tissue such as barley, rice, potatoes. Microorganisms having have become increasingly important as producer of industrial enzyme because their biochemical diversity and the which easily concentration may be increased by environment. Enzyme play vital role in function of cells and activity of organism in human body. Enzyme shows maximum activity at 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Enzyme practically inactive at 0 degrees Celsius, and beyond or across 65 degrees Celsius it get denatured or can't perform function. Next one, definition of enzyme. Enzymes are the protein substance which serve a role of catalyzing biochemical reaction. It is a simple definition of enzyme. Enzymes are the protein molecule or substance which catalyzing or speed up the biochemical reaction in the cell or human body. Which biochemical reaction are does not form without enzyme. So, enzyme which is most important factor or molecule in the body to speed up the biochemical reaction. They catalyze nearly all the chemical reaction takes place in the cell of the body. See this image, substrate and Next, blue color figure is denoted as enzyme. Then the substrate, which is inactive form, and the enzyme, which is also inactive in form, but substrate which is bind with the enzyme, then the enzyme are activated. That activated site are called enzyme substrate complex. Then the enzyme are to perform biochemical reaction over there and to separate the small units from complex unit, which is a product. Next one, properties of enzyme. They are an essential constituent of all living cell. They can act independently, not dependently of any other, which is independently. They are colloidal in nature, like a gum, heat labile means heat sensitive drug, and highly specific in action. Then enzymes are soluble in water and dilute alcohol. Enzyme activity is reduced by when enzymes are mixed with formaldehyde or free iodine, then which is a activity are reduced at that time, and also heavy metals and tannins. Enzymes are protein catalytic capability and have molecular weight in the range of 7,000 Dalton over 1 million Dalton. Next, it is a reflection spot question for you. So, what is question? Why are enzymes important to biological system? Pause the video and write your answer. Now, question are why are enzymes important to biological system? Because enzymes are a protein that control the speed of reaction in the body. Enzyme, this reaction will take place to slowly to keep you alive, and enzyme also help cell to communicate with each other, keeping cell growth, life and death under control, along with essential for respiration, digestion of food, etc. Next one, classification of enzyme. Classification on the basis of substrate or product of the reaction, suffix A, S, E or I, N indicate enzyme, or in case of streptokinase, which is a suffix having A, S, E or papain, I, N respectively. The suffix olytic is used to indicates activity of enzyme, like amylolytic, which is diastase enzyme, suffix olytic, which indicates activity of enzyme. Then next, broad classification of enzyme, which are uh, further classification are on the basis of reaction they control activity. 6 type of enzyme are over there. Oxidoreductase enzyme means to catalyze the oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation means what? Oxidation to addition of oxygen and reduction to loss of oxygen and gaining electron. Hydrolysis means hydrolytic reaction for catalysis of hydrolytic reaction. Then next one is transferase for the transfer of chemical group from one molecule to another. Then next, lysase means catalyze the addition of group of to double bond or vice versa. Next is isomerase are responsible for intramolecular rearrangement, and synthetase catalyze the condensation of two molecule couple with the cleavage of pyrophosphate bond of ATP or similar triphosphate, which is classification on the basis of reaction they control activity. Next classification on the basis of site of action of enzyme. In this enzyme are classified into two groups, endoenzyme and exoenzyme. What is endoenzyme? This enzyme act inside the cell, also called intracellular enzyme. They are responsible for synthesis of cell component. Example, synthetase, isomerase enzymes. Next one is exoenzyme. They act outside the cell, is called extracellular enzyme. Such enzymes are digestive in their function, that is break down complex molecule into small unit. Example of exoenzyme are protease, amylase. Next classification on the basis of nature of substrate. The amylolytic enzyme or carbohydrates. Amylolytic enzyme means what? Which is conversion of starch into sugar with by acid or enzyme, which is called amylolytic enzyme. Amylase and diastase, it is well known example of amylolytic enzyme. Maltdiastase, it is formed during the germination of barley grains. Invertase or sucrase, it's found in yeast and intestinal juice. It brings hydrolysis of sucrose into glucose and fructose. Next, maltose, conversion of maltose into glucose. Zymase, fermentation enzyme cause conversion of monosaccharide into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Next, what is cofactor? Cofactor means what? Chemical nature of many enzymes are inactive when first produced. Such enzyme inactive form are called proenzyme. Then or zymogen. Then they are inactive because active site is unable to bind with substrate. Later, by action of essential coenzyme or activator, they made active. Coenzymes are integral part of enzyme system. Several vitamins, thiamine chloride, riboflavin, nicotinic acid are recognized as having a coenzymatic function, which is a substrate molecule bind with enzyme, that's called coenzyme, which is a active sites of enzyme. Enzyme occurs in combination with inorganic and organic substance that have important part in catalytic reaction. If they are inorganic ion, they refer as activator. Both are collectively called cofactor, means coenzyme plus activator, which collectively call as cofactor. The cofactor bound to protein part of enzyme tightly, and whenever the enzyme are inactive in form or other such coenzyme or the integral part of enzyme are which are does not active, that is protein non-protein chemical group. Next one, example of natural drug. which is utilized as enzyme. Papain from papaya plant. Synonym of papain: papayotene, vegetable pepsin, biological source of papaya plant. It is cultivated fruiting tree known as Carica papaya lean family Caricaceae. The half fruits of plant of medicinal latex obtained by giving vertical incision, which constitute the proteolytic enzyme papain of commercial importance. Whenever you use this half of fruits of plant which having the medicinal latex or medicinal or therapeutic importance uh, to this papaya juice or latex, which is obtained by giving vertical incision by using the sharp instrument, and the papain in the form of juice which is ooze out, that is proteolytic enzyme having the commercial importance, which is utilized as industrial level. Geographical sources: cultivated in Sri Lanka, Hawaii, Florida, Tanzania. Then habitat: plant have 5 to 6 meter in height, bears fruits within a year, are about 10 to 25 centimeter in length of fruit of 5 kilogram weight. Then plant about 9 months of age, used for collecting its latex. Next, collection and preparation of papain. How to collect and prepare for the market of papain enzyme. Firstly, vertical first about 9 month of plant, about 9 month of age of plant, then which is easily to collecting the enzyme of papain. So vertically cuts are given to fruits by sharp instrument made up of stainless steel or brass. Then the latex ooze out of fruits gets coagulated, and the coagulated latex are collected in plastic or aluminum container. Then dried. Dried at low temperature in vacuum. This product known as crude papain. Processing of papain, the latex of fruit collected in aluminum trays. Then next process to the collected latex, potassium metabisulfite 5 kg per kilogram of latex is added into it, and the extraneous matter is cleared out by passing through sieve, and latex dry in vacuum shelf dryer at 55 to 60 degrees Celsius, which having the to maintain the activity of papain enzyme. It can also be processed by spray drying method. This dried latex is called papain. Description: papain color is light brown or white, amorphous or hygroscopic powder. Odor and taste which having typical. It show maximum proteolytic activity between pH 5 to 6.1. Then solubility: it's partly soluble in water and soluble in glycerin, ethyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol precipitate papain. Isoelectric point of papain is is 5.2 and its most thermostable enzyme. Chemical constituent: papain contain different proteolytic enzymes present in papaya latex are the mixture of papain and chymopapine and proteolytic enzyme acting on polypeptide and amides. Storage. It's very sensitive to air, light, moisture, high temperature. It undergoes auto-oxidation very fast. Hence, it should be stored in well-closed and filled container away from light and in cool place. Then next one is chemical test for papain. First test, 0. Take to 0.5 gram of latex of papaya and add 10 ml of water into it. Shake well. Add solution of KMNO4. Decoloration takes place. Next test, 20 ml of milk, which is and 0.5 gram of papaya latex. Mix it. Curdling takes place. Both tests are for identification and standardization of papain enzyme. Then uses of papain. It is used in the clarification of beverages. Means what? To clarify or to improve quality and appearance of beverages, and as meat tenderizer. Means what? To easy to cut meat and crush it, and further process for meat preparation. It also used for degumming of silk fabric industry. Means what? To removal of gums from silk fabric industry, and dehairing of skin in leather industry. To removal of hairs of skin in leather industry. Then it's medicinally used as digestants. Means what? To promote the digestion, such as hydrochloric acid and bile salt, which is proteolytic and an anti-inflammatory agent into the stomach, which reduce the swelling of intestine or any other organism of body. Reference for this presentation: a textbook of pharmacognosy, first year diploma in pharmacy, 35th edition by S.B. Gokhale, Dr. C.K. Kokate and A.P. Purohit, Nirali Prakashan, page number 9.132, 9.133, 9.136 respectively. Thank you.